What always strikes me most and what always hits me hardest is seeing different children and how excited they are to see us, but then seeing the reality that they live in every day. And I think what hits me personally hardest is thinking about, you see them studying, you see them coming home from school, but you wonder sort of what's next for them and what living in whatever condition and whatever opportunities they have that might be limited beyond what you can see in their faces is just like bustling potential. That can be hard to see.
At one hand, we actually have a huge demand for energy access. On the other end, we find that the technology for energy access, like off-grid solar solutions, are readily available. And supply is also not really a big issue in that. So then the question becomes on how to meet the supply and demand.
We are offering a solution in which we develop a complete local solar ecosystem. Not only the assembly, distribution, repair and maintenance, but also the manufacturing of the component happens in a local community.
Located in Dungarpur, Rajasthan, the Dungarpur Renewable Energy Technologies Private Limited, or DURGA Energy, is a dream come true for 53 Adivasi women. The plant, owned and operated by women, bears testimony to the great economic and social hurdles that the women have overcome. From being homemakers and dependents to assemblers, distributors and repairers, solar entrepreneurs, sahelis, and now owners of a solar plant, IIT Bombay is a proud mentor and facilitator as Durga stands empowered. With a production capacity of 2 megawatt annually, Durga Energy will manufacture solar panels, street lights, home powering systems and other technological solutions. Let's celebrate their grit and determination.
I think what BC can bring to the table is a certain kind of business knowledge and certain expertise.
So it's interesting to see how the local people who have been trained have been affected in socio-economic aspects because of the SOLS project.
अपन अपनी ज़िंदगी के लिए स्वार्थी के लिए सोचेंगे तो उसमें कुछ नहीं है, कुछ करें तो कुछ कर पाएं तो सबके लिए अच्छा हो जाए.